we're going to be setting up a digital wallet called Metamask, which is one of the most widely used digital secure wallets in the whole space. Can everyone install Google Chrome? So once you have Chrome opened up on your screen, the first step we're going to do is we're going to download Metamask. Make sure you guys are really adamant about saving your keys. There's going to be steps where you're going to be given like these 12 seed phrases, like private keys. Make sure you guys have a notepad next to you. You don't want to save it on your computer in case your computer ever, gets washed, something happens, or if it gets stolen or hacked. You want to make sure you have your private seed words on a notepad saved in a special vault that you guys usually save your valuables in. To install, scroll down and click on Install Metamask for Chrome. Chrome, it'll allow you to add it to Chrome as a Chrome extension. So click on Add to Chrome, and you'll see the pop-up come up. If you agree with those terms, hit Add Extension. You see on my mouse on the top right-hand corner that you now have an extension called Metamask. If you click on that, you should be able to see that cool fox logo that follows your mouse. It'll allow you to connect to the decentralized web. How exciting. Let's hit Get Started. I'm going to create these steps as if you guys don't have a digital wallet yet. Just click on Create Wallet here. When you hit Create a Wallet, you're going to have to read through a term of agreements, basically saying, do you want to help them improve MetaMask? This is totally optional. I'm going to hit I agree. And now you're going to create a password for your digital wallet. You can go ahead and hit Create. And after creating a password, this is a very important step that I want to highlight to you guys again and reiterate that you're going to be provided a 12 seed phrase of secret words when creating your wallet. Do not share this with anyone, or else you're essentially sacrificing the possibility of getting hacked and your funds stolen. This private seed phrase has to be presented in chronological order. So all 12 words here have to be presented in this order in order for someone to log in and recover a wallet or make any very authority-driven transactions. Go ahead and save this and write this or save it wherever you guys usually save your valuables, this 12C phrase here. Usually people take some time to get the notepad and write this all down, so I'll give you guys a minute and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. Okay, here we go on to the next step. So I'm going to hit next. Now it's asking us to confirm our seed backup phrase. So this is where you guys take that chronological order that you guys saved and place those words in the same order to confirm that you guys have securely created your seed backup phrase. Awesome. So I just entered mine correctly, and it prompted me with this congratulations message. I want to make sure that everybody is at the same page so that I can assure that we're all set up with our digital wallet. Super exciting here. Now, check out this exciting message here. It says, token swapping is here. You can now swap tokens directly in your Metamask wallet. Metamask wallet allows you to connect to several different exchanges, decentralized exchange aggregators, professional market makers, and individual DEXs to ensure Metamask users always get the best price with the lowest network fees. Here are just some of the top networks that you guys now have access to, but there's so many more. Once you're set up, you can hit start swapping. Really cool. Now, you can swap on Metamask, the application itself. As you can see that Metamask has an ability to swap here, but MetaMask, I wouldn't recommend swapping on MetaMask for a few reasons. The first reason is the fees on MetaMask are actually higher than decentralized exchanges itself. And decentralized exchanges itself, they're actually easier to transact on than actually swapping on MetaMask because you have more visibility into the full cost impact. Also, the amount of tokens that you can swap on MetaMask, there is a pretty significant amount, but you can actually be accessing so many more tokens when you swap on other decentralized exchanges. And I'm going to give you guys an example of how. You guys should know that your address here that you can see in the top right-hand corner of my screen, this is your ERC20 address, aka your private address, and how you receive money and send money to this address. This is an address you're safe to share with other people. Let's say someone wanted to send you some Ethereum. You can give them this address. It's this complex mixed use of characters here. And let's say I have $1,000 on Coinbase. If I have $1,000 on Coinbase and that $1,000 is in Ethereum, I can send Ethereum from Coinbase to this address, and within a matter of time, it'll populate in this wallet. How this works. So I'm going to take this wallet address. I'm going to copy this. Uniswap is the #1 exchange. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Uniswap's homepage, bring you to this very simple app interface, which is essentially Uniswap's application. Really simple chart, but there's an option where you can hit connect to a wallet. So what I'm going to do is connect it to my MetaMask wallet that I just set up on my Chrome extension. You can also do this, on your phone as well through using your 12 seed phrase setup and just adding those same 12 seed phrases to your phone and then having access to that same wallet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit connect to a wallet. And the wallet I'm going to connect to is the MetaMask wallet. You'll see that MetaMask extension provides me a pop-up here that says, would you like to connect to the following account? And I see the account that I have just created. And this is essentially my wallet here. I'm going to click on this account and hit next. After hitting next, you'll get another pop-up that'll say, would you allow this site to view the address of your account? Totally safe. You can hit connect. Now, my wallet has been officially connected to Uniswap, one of the several decentralized exchanges. Once you are connected to Uniswap, you'll see that you have a whole plethora of tokens that you now have access to trade. Some of these tokens may be completely brand new and you can invest in early. Some of these tokens have been around for a while, but they may not have yet been enlisted on a centralized exchange. Through actually going on their website and understanding what these projects offer, you can actually make an educated investment getting into these projects early before they're completely taking off and getting massive upside from your investment. Here's the next step that I wanted to show you, which is very important and part of your investing. Uniswap here probably shows us about 200 tokens, but it doesn't show you every token. So if I'm scrolling through here, I don't see Kylan Network on here. So how can I get Kylan Network to swap on Uniswap? I go back to CoinGecko.com. I search a project such as Kylan Network. And on Kylan Network, within CoinGecko, it shows you the contract address. Click copy. And when you click copy, it'll copy the token address. After copying the token address, I go back to Uniswap, paste the token address here, and I can import this token onto Uniswap. And it'll say, trade at your own risk. Make sure that this address is the same one on CoinGecko. Since I'm copying and pasting it, I am confident that this is the right address. And you can ensure so through going on CoinGecko and making sure you compare each character. So now that I understand the risk, I'll import it. And now you can see I've added Kylan Network, KYL. So if you guys ever hear of a project that is very early that may have just came out yesterday, you can find their contract address, add it onto Uniswap, and invest into it early. To make this clear for you guys, I don't want anybody to swap for Colin Network here. What I want to do is just show you guys how you do swap. What I did do is I just sent my wallet I created here 20 Ethereum. So we can see that this Ethereum came through. And now that this Ethereum came through, I can see that Uniswap recognizes it. And let's say I want to purchase 5 of these tokens. For the fee of 0.002 Ether, I can purchase 5 Colin tokens. And the price impact is about 20.2, which is very low. I then hit swap. I'm not asking you guys to make this transaction yourself. I just want you guys to understand how swapping on a decentralized exchange works and how you guys can get tokens onto your wallet. So once I do make this swap and I hit confirm swap here, Metamask then pings me the confirmation before a transaction happens. Now, I'm not going to make this transaction go through because the gas fee right now costs $63 because the network within Ethereum is very, very busy right now. You can change the price and the pace of your transactions based off how much gas you want to pay in MetaMask through editing. And assuming everything aligns, you can then confirm your transaction and your swap will go through. So if you Google Ethereum gas, you can find out when the best times to transact in the market are based off searching the current traffic in the whole ecosystem within Ethereum through these charts. I've seen transactions, especially during the most volatile moments of the market, for example, February 14th, where the average gas prices are about $50, $60 per transaction, sometimes up to $100 per transaction. It's really important that people look into these different tools to identify how much gas is currently in the market.